Hey, wanna go play badminton? We're going right now. No, I'm busy. Oh, I see.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if
I know you're not trying to be unfriendly or blow your friends off, but sometimes using I'm busy sounds like you are. So today we'll be discussing English idioms that can be used to politely decline invitations when you're actually too busy. I'm going to provide 10 different idioms. Let's get right into it. My hands are tied by work right now. I don't think I'll be able to make it. I'm really buried in work, so I won't be able to join you. I wish I could come, but I've got a lot on my plate at the moment. I'm drowning in work. You might have to count me out. I'd love to, but I'm in the middle of an important project. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. I've got a lot of work to catch up on. I am overwhelmed with work, so I'll have to pass this time. I've got a ton of things on my to-do list, so I won't be able to make it. I might need to take a rain check on this one. My schedule is completely booked this week. Thank you for inviting me, but I have a deadline to meet. Maybe next time? I hope you find this video helpful, and hopefully next time when you want to decline someone's invitation, they will be more understanding of your busy schedule. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me, and I'll see you guys next time in 闪颖 Blinglish 小颖课堂. Bye!